Hello everyone, welcome to Winsides.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable virtual machine platform on Windows 11. We will use run command to access Windows features. Use the shortcut Windows key plus R to open the run command. In the run command, type the command optional features and click OK. This will open Windows features directly. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Virtual Machine Platform. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and finally click OK. Now the system will search for required files and then apply all the necessary changes. Now Virtual Machine Platform is enabled on Windows 11. A restart now is highly recommended.